Hey gorgeous, welcome back into the channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Gorgeous, I want to say before we even start, if you haven't subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you for doing that. I appreciate. Let's move on to this video. So today I am working with this unit from UWigs. That is the gorgeous wig. The wig came with a cap and pair of lashes. This unit is 22 inches and is 130 density. It's body wave hair, 13 by 4 lace front wig. You can see the coils is popping. By the way, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. In case if you're interested, you can check that out. Don't hesitate to check that out if you are interested. You can see the wig is 13 by 4. It came with some combs inside, as you can see. That's the construction of the wig. An adjustable strap, and they attach a little lace to the back. Now the installation of the hair. The wig don't have any smell, no smell to it. The smell is good, and also no shedding. There was nothing like shedding as at the time I filmed this video, but I don't know if it will after some years of usage. I use these hair bust legs on the lace. I spray that on the lace. If you like, you can bleach the knots, but if you've been watching me, you know this is what I do. It's easy for me just to use these hair bust legs on the lace. It's easy and very fast, and it stays as long as you want. Even when you wash the wig, it will not go off. So as I'm brushing the wig, you can see one thing I like about this hair is so soft, and I like black. I don't know, maybe one day I'm going to bleach my wig because I've never done that before. I like keeping it black, so I like the color, and the hair is so soft, and I like that it is body wave. You can see as I'm combing through the hair, it's very soft. That is one thing I like about this hair, and it did not shed like I said. So today I want to go for a side part, but I couldn't because of the way this lace was constructed. You guys are going to see. I added a styling mousse to flatten the hair because I wanted the hair very flat. Then I use a hot comb. You can see as I'm combing it, the hair is really laying flat. That is how I want it. I wanted to party it a little bit longer, but I found out that the way they constructed this wig, you can see, which means it's not possible for me to put my parting by the side, so I changed it to center part. I never want to do center part, but I don't have choice. But if you want to cut it a kind of C part, you can do that, but I wanted just straight corner part. That is why, since I couldn't do it, I changed my mind to do the center part. Meanwhile, the center part you can see is very long. is long. That is how I like my pattern. I like it very, very long. You can see it. And with the hair bust legs I use on the lace, you can see it's just like my skin. And again, I use the styling mousse on it. This is just to flatten the hair because I like it when my hair is really, really flat in front. So in case if you like this unit, I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box. Don't hesitate to check that out if you are interested. I use a lot of WOAH stick. Why I did this is just because I needed the front to be very flat. That is why I applied a lot to the hair. You can see how flat the hair is now. You guys know I always use styling gel to lay my wigs. I've said that time without number because of my edges and because also I don't carry my wigs more than 24 hours. I don't even carry them more than 1 hour, after up to 1 hour, because after filming my videos I remove the wig immediately. Because I've done that several times, I did it off camera. So I just brought out some baby hairs which you're seeing, and I did not twist the wig because it came already pre-plucked, so I lay this wig like that. So after that I tied it down. So I apply this heat protecting cream heat protecting cream on the hair. That this is just to protect the hair from heat. You can see how flat this hair is. I combed the hair out of this hair, the hair out of it, believe me. I fell in love. I love how smooth, flat this hair looks, and so soft. The hair is really, really soft. Then I just did some waves because I want it wavy, not too much. I did little waves. I added the styling mousse on the hairline. This is just to soften the edges. And that is it. I slay my baby hairs off camera. You see how gorgeous it is, this hair. How gorgeous. You can see the hair is so beautiful. Gorgeous, please, if you like it here, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't, and hit on that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you like this hair tutorial, this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? I really appreciate. Thank you, gorgeous. I appreciate. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next hair review. Till then, remain gorgeous as always. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. This hair is bomb.com. It's bomb.com. Wow, it's just wow. I so much love this hair. I love the hair. All right, guys. Bye. Bye.
Acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright.